Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a nice, quick, easy breakfast platter that takes no time at all, and you know what? Brings everyone together during this awesome month of Ramadan. Today I'm going to show you guys a nice little breakfast idea that, you know, during these trying times brings the family together, and that's what we need. We need each other at the moment. Of course, it's over food, and it's over a nice share-style breakfast board or platter, if you like. But I'm using something a little bit different. I want to incorporate some of these delicious deli meats. I've got Fettayleh's mortadella and their chicken roll. One more thing is the beef basturma. Yum. I want to start with the watermelon. I've got a few slices, a few wedges of watermelon here, and what I want to do is jazz it up a little bit. I want to chop up a little bit of beef basturma and some halloumi cheese and have that on there, because that's just that saltiness and that sweetness is going to be yum. They're already nice and thinly sliced. I love that, because you can actually leave it whole and just mold it the way you want and put it just like that. So I'm just going to roll this basturma up and just give it a rough slice. Just place it on your watermelon. My mouth is actually watering while I'm making this, because I love the combination of sweet and salty. Our basturma is done. Now with the halloumi, I am going to cut that into like little cubes, a dice, and then we're going to sprinkle it on top. Now I'm just scattering this halloumi cheese. I love halloumi cheese and watermelon. And with the addition of basturma, the spices in that just complements it. That's all there is to it. Just put your basturma on, put your halloumi cheese on, and then just to give it a little bit of freshness, we're gonna go with a bit of red vein sorrel and some mint. So I'm just gonna cut that off with some scissors. Just, you know, scatter these everywhere. It's already looking gorgeous. And I'm just going to get a few mint leaves, and I'm just going to give it a rough slice. And just from a height, we just want to scatter that mint all around. So that's our beautiful centerpiece. Now let's build the platter around it. I've got here some black olives and some grilled green olives. Natural nuts as well. I've got a few breadsticks here. We've got some Lebanese bread. Just place it like that so that everyone can just dig in, eat, put in bread, yum. I've got a little bit of clotted cream as well with some honey on top, yum. Beautiful sweetness. What I want to do now is slice up some cucumber and some tomato, and then we'll do our mortadella and our chicken roll. So we're building this board up, and I've put the cucumber, tomato, and a few condiments, and I'm still gonna get it going because you want this beautiful and abundant and full. Next, I'm going to cut up my mortadella and my chicken roll, put it on the board, and add a few little herbs, I guess, a bit of radish, and then that's it. We're gonna enjoy it. I'm adding a little bit of za'atar, and what I like to do is just mix it a little bit with some extra virgin olive oil, and it's the perfect condiment for dipping that Lebanese bread. For some added greenery and flavor, I'm going to just rip myself some lemon balm, and just from a height, drop them on the board. So pretty, so delicious. And there you have it. I mean, a breakfast board that's sure to please the senses, the taste buds more like it, and keep you full while you're fasting.
You can totally prepare all the components of your board in advance the night before, ready for you to assemble within 5 minutes when you wake up for Sahour.